Carl. What in the world is that? I mean, they've never seen anything like it. Hey, wanted to do a little video for everyone that contacted me. Really nice Bronco overall, obviously a project, but in really good shape. So I'll just do a little quick walk around. A lot of good things about it, and then there's some things that need things too. So you can check out the grill is in good condition, and this is all original stuff too. It's not a repop grill or anything like that. You'll see one little ding right here on the surround. The rest is really nice, just needs to be polished. Very clean. Couple little scrapes right there, but again, that could all be polished. Looking around this headlight, you can see a little delamination right there on the chrome. Bumper looks good. Look how nice the rubber is around there. A couple little tiny scuffs, but nothing major. Looks really good. You can see the hood. The top of the hood is repainted. You can see here, this is pretty common on this paint scheme, but the paint came off here. You can see little remnants of blue still on it. And you can see the blue stripe. That's actually the paint that was under the white stripe. So there was a white stripe that continued on here. So that came off, that's why the blue's there. But again, the hood has been repainted up here. Take a look at this fender. Fender's in great shape. There's no rust bubbles or anything like that. Very clean overall. You can see it's got dual shocks in there. Trim looks good. Windshield is in good condition overall. You can see a couple little tiny bubbles right there, but you can see the gutter is actually really nice on it, and the roof. Take a look at the door. One little ding right there, but the bottom of the door is nice and clean. Original paint all on this side. See the cab and the roof. All looks really good. One little ding right there. Overall in good shape. You can see they moved. It's kind of weird there's no holes here. There's one hole here. It's like they were going to put it there and they decided to put it here for that antenna. But no rust behind the quarter panel. Nothing up here around the wheel lips or anything like that. I'll show you the interior real fast. You can see this little thing is loose down there, pretty common. Door panel doesn't look too bad. Original tag. Bottom of the doors look good. Door jamb looks nice. Just some surface rust right there. Original tag. Again, you can see no tape lines or anything like that. Up here, this is just some surface rust, nothing major. Door jamb looks good. Needs carpet in here. You can see the seats ripped. You can see it's got a crack in the dash. Headliner has some warping. Roof panels all look good back here. Back seat looks good as well. It's got the panels back here. I haven't been able to get the back door open yet. You can see that panel back there is just warped a little bit, but that panel looks good. I'll take you on the other side and show you that, but definitely seat needs to be redone. Console looks good. You can see the odometer says 07226, but the rest all looks pretty good in here in general. Take you around to the back. You can see here, paint fade up on the top. bumper, a little bit of crazing and stuff, but overall the bumper looks in pretty good shape. And it's got a tow hitch on it. No rust behind the wheel lips, or behind the quarter panel. Nothing around the top here. And this is where I was talking before. There's no Bondo or anything here, but there was some blending between here and here on this quarter. I'm not sure why. I don't see it here, but there was some blending here. And maybe not, I don't know. I mean, you can see it on this door a little bit too, but maybe that's just the way just old paint, so maybe someone pressure washed it or something like that. But there was definitely some repairs done here on the bottom of this door. You can see that. No rust here as well. Take you inside here. Get in the jam. Looks really good. Ripping the seat right here. You can see that panel. Spare tire used to sit in the inside on this one. This is loose, but the actual door panel looks good. Let's see, look through here. A couple little rust spots right there. You can see, but underneath the door looks good. A couple little bubbles right there across the front. Looks good though. Gutter looks good. And there's no chips in the glass. It is original Ford window. You can see the right above the wiper there, the Ford script. This fender looks good as well. Go ahead and pop the hood for you real quick. Or at least I thought I was going to do that for you real quick. So let me set this down for a second. There we go. Very original underneath here. AC truck. Inner aprons look nice and clean. You can see it right here. Little crack right there, but original motor. It is a 400 power steering. Even the original carburetor is on it. Everything's pretty clean underneath here. Underneath the hood, original stickers. It's not rusty up underneath here. Overall looks good. I was gonna take and show you underneath the one little rust spot I was talking about. Floors look good. There's one spot right there. The carpet is right there. It's right where this step is. But the rest of the floors look really nice. Transfer case, you can see all everything's in it. You can see the drive line, but overall everything is clean underneath here. I'll take you on the other side real fast and just show you the floor on that side. Like I was saying, we have a few projects, a few things we're working on. So I'll take you a look at this side real quick. You can see this floor pan. It's really nice. So look inside the wheel well. Just crazy. So anyways, hopefully that helps give you a quick look. This is a really good project. In very, very nice condition. So if you're interested, give me a jingle. Would like to help. Again, it's not running right now. Like I mentioned before, it was parked like 2 years ago because ignition. But we have put a jump box on it, put a jumper on the solenoid, and the engine does turn over. So anyways, have a good day.